Zim musician Chillmaster banned from driving after fatal road accident. In a high-profile case that has garnered significant public attention, Zimbabwean musician Kudakwashe, Chillmaster, Hombarume has been banned from driving for 9 months. This ruling, handed down by the Mbare Magistrate's Court, is a result of a sentence review for a culpable homicide case that dates back to April of this year. The story began when Chillmaster, who was driving without a license, struck and killed 46-year-old Mbare. He was driving a Honda Shuttle at an estimated 100 km per hour in a 60 km per hour zone when he swerved to avoid a cyclist and hit the pedestrian. Initially, the Mbare magistrate sentenced the musician to a non-custodial sentence, imposing a $200 fine for driving without a license and 210 hours of community service for the culpable homicide charge. This decision was met with public outcry and was later scrutinized by the High Court. Judge-President, Justice Mary Zimbabwe, on an automatic review, criticized the original ruling for being too lenient and for trivializing the seriousness of the offense. Justice Dube stated that the court had failed to recognize the gross negligence of the musician's actions, which included driving without a license and speeding. She emphasized that a non-custodial sentence was not appropriate for a case that resulted in the loss of an innocent life, especially given the high rates of road accidents in Zimbabwe. The High Court remitted the case back to the Mbare magistrate to reconsider the punishment and to conduct a mandatory inquiry into whether Chillmaster should be prohibited from driving. Following this directive, the new sentence has been handed down, banning the musician from driving for 9 months, in addition to his previous community service and fine. The case has sparked a wider conversation in Zimbabwe about the justice system, particularly concerning road traffic offenses and the balance between justice for victims and the rehabilitation of offenders. The High Court's firm stance in this case sends a strong message that unlicensed and negligent driving resulting in death will be met with severe consequences.
Thanks for watching.